rosebuds, it's Alexa and welcome back to my channel. Also, by the way, a lot of people have been calling me Nava for Nava Rose because my channel is called Nava Rose, but either or, you guys can call me Alexa or Nava. I will respond to both. I'm filming in LA today, that's why it looks very LA-esque, I guess you can say. Kind of lonely because Oliver's not here. Anyway, so for today's video, I'm gonna be sharing with you guys my current skincare routine, which I freaking completely swear by. Do want to put this out there, I am not a beauty guru or anything like that. I don't really tell people about their skin or makeup or anything like that, even though you guys do ask me. So this is a big step for me, you guys, for me to tell you any like advice about beauty or makeup or anything like that. She is going there. One of the most important aspects and tools in my whole skincare routine is this face brush right here. This face brush is from Vanity Planet, who is our lovely partner for this video, and this face brush is called the Spin for Perfect Skin. I was never into face brushes or anything. I just thought it was kind of dumb because it's like, man, just use your hands. Like, I was that type of girl. I got into K-beauty maybe about like last year, and they were always telling me that exfoliating every day is good, and I'm like, what? Like, I was told that that breaks out your skin, and that is actually a common misconception with exfoliating, that people think that when you exfoliate every day, that's what breaks out your skin. Your skin is obviously gonna break out like when you exfoliate, or if you start using like natural. Your skin is gonna break out because it's purging itself, and you're just like not gonna look cute for the next week or so. The only time I break out was during my period, and those are like the big ones that look like volcanoes, like sticking out of your face. Like, yeah, I get those kinds. I would get these little raised pore pimple things. They're not pimples, they're like just like bumps on your face, and everyone would tell me like, oh yeah, that's normal, like don't worry about that. And I'm like, okay, yeah, it could be normal, but I've seen my skin totally clear, and I know my skin can get better. So recently I've just been like on this journey of trying to find like a better skincare routine to get it to that point where it's like, man, like yes, my skin is flawless. So I did what any other cheap person would do that's trying out a new thing. I went to Daiso. If you guys don't know what Daiso is, it's like an Asian Dollar Tree. They have like everything, and everything's like $1.50. So I picked up a face brush that looked like this. I started using it every day when I would wash my face, and you know what? My skin looked freaking great. The only thing that brush literally smelled like a horse's butt. It smelled like it smelled like horse crap, literally. So I decided to go to your good old Marshalls. I bought a face brush that was like a little over $10 that looked exactly like this. I was just excited because it didn't smell like crap, but that thing broke in like 3 days. And I was like, man, okay, well, that's what I get for paying $10 at like a Marshalls or whatever. So it was like a miracle that Vanity Planet reached out. I was still using the broken face brush, and I was just like making small circles because it wasn't spinning. This was a godsend. Like, I feel like God was like, girl, you need a new face brush? And I said, yes. Thank you, Jesus. So with your Spin for Perfect Skin face brush, you also get like these 3 other interchangeable heads. So this big one is for your body. My loofah is such trash. I don't know why I'm still using it. And then they have like a little pumice stone one for your feet, for your calluses, for everyone that wears heels every day like me. And this one's good for exfoliating once a week because it's a little harder than your daily brush. The face brush is not the cheapest, but you know what? I have a I literally just flowed. Oh my gosh. Anyways, like I was saying, I have a promo code Nava Rose that you guys can use at checkout, and that gives you 70% off, and it makes this brush $30. If I just spent $20 more, I could have just gotten a brush that won't break down after 3 days. So I'll put all the info down at the bottom so you guys can check that out. If you guys are new to my channel, welcome, and don't forget to subscribe down below and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on the next time that I post. And now the time that you guys have open waves, well, these things stay on, but just make sure you're not fleeing it like I am. So yeah, let's jump into my skincare routine before like I start like just throwing stuff everywhere. It doesn't look its best right now because I just got back from a facial. My skin actually was amazing going into the facial, but I was like, screw it. You know what? It's a free facial, whatever, I'll do it. And then I ended up breaking out. So that's what you guys can see here. And then this big one right here. So right now my skin is kind of getting back to what it should be. It should be better maybe like tomorrow-ish. Okay, so before we jump into this, I already know I made such a long intro, but I just want to let you guys know that this is a routine for my skin, and I know that everyone's skin is different. So I know if you guys try the same exact routine, it might not work for everyone because everyone has different skin. Just also keep in mind that it can take a little bit of time, maybe like a week or 2 before your skin can like purge out all the things, all the bad stuff, and get to clear looking skin. Also, like I said already, And I'm gonna say it a million times in this video, I'm not a beauty guru, so if anyone out there is like into skincare and beauty and I say something wrong or I do something wrong, like I'm sorry, but this is just like me and my experience and like what I found has worked for my skin, and I just want to share it with the whole wide world. So the first step I do is take off all of my makeup, and I do this with the micellar water, and I just like to pour it onto like those flat cotton pads, and I just like rub all my makeup off. I end up using 2 cotton pads, and I like to use it until it's pretty much almost gone. I'm so into products that have like duo capability. So 1, take off your makeup, but also you can use it as a face wash. If I'm just like extra lazy and super dead tired, I will just get cotton pads and just like use this until like there's like nothing left on my skin, and then I'll just like go to bed. And after that, I wash my face with my charcoal soap and my Spin for Perfect Skin brush. So I wet my face, and then I take my little bar soap, and then I like just do a couple circles around my cheeks, and then from there I just lather up the product onto my face. So what I learned is that you should wash your face for at least 30 seconds, and honestly I feel like that helped a lot too, because before I would just like wash my face, put the product on, circle it a couple times, and then just wash it off. I use this charcoal soap, which I got at Lazy Acres. It's an all natural soap. Lazy Acres is kind of like a Whole Foods. They have like all natural face soaps that you guys could use on your face and stuff. So this is just their charcoal version. And then from there, I just take my brush, turn it on, and then I go slowly across my face from top to bottom. Don't judge me, guys. My face brush is dirty. My bad, guys. Like, don't think I'm just like a dirty person. This is because of my face wash. You just hit the on button, and then you just like go around your whole face and stuff. And it like does half the work for you, because you're just like doing this, not having to like spin your hand. Not spin your hand, but like spin the like face. You guys know what I'm saying. So yeah, after that's done, like I wash my face and I feel like all like nice and clean, and like it just feels like such a nice clean slate. And then after that, I get a cotton ball, and then I just douse it and like just soak it with witch hazel. And I like to pull my cotton ball apart a little bit just to make it like flatter and more like bigger. Does anyone else do that, or is that just me? The witch hazel replaced my toner that I was using beforehand. As you guys can see, there's just a little bit left, which I like that because it shows that your face wash is actually doing stuff and actually removing things. And then like if I have any scarring or anything, I will also put rosehip oil on my face, just a little bit, just like a couple drops. I don't do this every night, maybe do it twice or 3 times a week. Then after is my favorite part, only because I absolutely love this moisturizer. I put a few blobs of aloe vera gel onto my face, and I just like rub that in. After that's like semi-dried, this is when I put the rosehip oil on, and I'll place like a couple drops like on my forehead and on my cheeks, and then I'll like rub that in. And then I go back in with a second round of aloe vera gel, and whatever excess I have, I just rub that onto my neck as well. And yeah, that's pretty much it for my little skincare routine. It's pretty simple, it's all natural, it's pretty affordable. I just have this habit of just like touching my face, you know? It was probably like the 3rd day of using these products, I was touching my face, and I like stopped and I was like, oh my gosh, my face is freaking amazing right now. And like I ran to the mirror and I was like, ah, like just like looking at it, you know, because I didn't realize like that my skin was already cleared up. And that was probably like after maybe 3 days of like using all of these products like together. After that, I was like, ah, I need to tell the whole world right now. So yeah, this is my little affordable skincare routine. Okay, why am I carrying them like they're babies? I love it so much, so I wanted to share it with you guys. Don't forget to check out Vanity Planet's Spin for Perfect Skin brush. I will link everything down at the bottom, and don't forget to use my Nava Rose promo code for 70% off. I'm so into it because, you know, your girl likes discounts and promo codes. If you guys try any of these products, let me know how you guys like them. If you guys want to connect with me on social media, all my socials are at thenavarose. That's it for my video. I love you guys all, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!